This is the August Pretty Obsessed box. This is the luxury box, 10 full size products. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video is an unboxing and it is this. This is my August Pretty Obsessed box, so let's get it open. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So here is the box. It is slightly different to what we're used to getting. This is an actual sealed box. But yeah, this is the luxury box. It's £24.99 per month and there is 10 full-size products in here. I know on some of my videos some people have commented, yeah, but some of the full-size products are like really cheap brands. We shall see what is in this one. Pretty Obsessed do other beauty boxes as well. I've wrote it down because my memory is so bad. Let's have a look. So they do a premium box, which is 5 full-size products per month, which is £14.99. They do a skincare and pamper box. Again, that's 5 full-size products and that's £19.99. They do a makeup only box, which definitely sounds interesting, and that's 5 full-size products for £19.99. And they do a ladies essential box, which contains 6 to 7 products in per month. And that is to help with the time of the month, and that's £9.99. But yeah, like I say, this is the luxury one. So let's have a sneak peek before we start digging in to see exactly what we've got. This is what it looks like when you open it. There's no edit card in here with this. I've had this a good few months now and I've never received an edit card. It would be actually great if we did, but not the be all and end all. But yeah, here is a sneaky peek. But yeah, let's dig on through. First product we have is this. So this is by the brand Bubble Tea and it is bath salts. In the flavour, or should I say scent, is grape. So that looks really cool. You know guys, I've been in this house for 2.5 months now and I haven't had a bath yet. What is wrong with me? I'm trying to sort my house out and I don't want to have a bath in my bathroom until I've totally redecorated it, so I can actually go in there and switch my brain off. If it's not decorated, then I'm not going to relax. So yeah, hopefully I'm going to hit that room soon because mama needs a bath. But yeah, loving the colour. I can't smell anything through here, but you can definitely be assured I will at some point be testing these out. But yeah, love a good bath salt. The second product we have is this. So this is by the brand Anatomicals and this is Smoother Butts Love Coconuts and it's coconut and mango body lotion. I've received either 2 or 3 of these now. This might be the 3rd one that I've received. In some of the other beauty boxes that I unbox over the last few months, I've definitely received a few of these. So that's a little bit disappointed, if I'm honest, because obviously body products take so long to get through. But this might just go in one of my giveaway boxes. But smells absolutely gorgeous and feels beautiful on the skin. Very affordable brand as well. The third item we have is this. So this is by the brand Full Circle Beauty and it is a turban hair towel. Fabulous, absolutely great. I love turbans. And what colour is it? Oh, it's pink. Let's get it out actually. I don't know why, here's the box. Okay, well here it is. It's a nice decent size, but it's thin. It's really thin. I don't know how thin you can see there, but I don't know how effective that's going to be on the hair. But I'll pop it in the wash, get it out, and we'll test it out to see what it's like. But it doesn't feel the best quality. Like I say, it feels thin. Okay, the button's nice and secure. Yeah, I've certainly received better these before. But like I say, we'll give it a go. Product number 4 we have is this. So this is by the brand Cocoa Star, I think. I could totally be wrong. But this is a lip mask and it says pink peach flavour. Yeah, love a lip mask. Not bad. Is it just the one we get in here? I think it is, yeah, one lip mask that we get in there. Never heard of the brand before. I'm thinking it's another cheap brand. But yeah, again, we'll give it a go. The 5th product we have is this. So this is by the brand Cougar by Paula Dune, and it is Dragon's Fruit and Hyaluronic Acid Day Moisturiser. Apparently it is skin brightening. This is one of those cheapy brands that a couple of people have commented on my previous videos in the past. But from what I've tried, it's not bad. I mean, they're not particularly great, but they're not all bad. But let's open it up just to have a little look. This is what it looks like. You can definitely tell it's cheaper because of the packaging. It smells lovely though. It really does smell very, very nice. Yeah. Interesting. Product number 6 we have is this. So this is by the brand Flormar. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. And this is Romance Volume Mascara. Very gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. Very, very nice. Black. It is black. Cool. And I like that brush. From what it looks like a dry formula as well, which is what I prefer. I can't wait to test that out. I actually have a whole box of mascaras to test out. Christmas, New Year, I'm going to properly go through each and every drawer in my beauty room and do a big, massive sort out, stroke clear out. And I'm going to be trying lots of stuff. Like my mascaras, I'm going to try each and every one. To then help me decide what I'm going to do with them. But yeah, like the brush on that, and like I say, it looks like a nice dry formula. I've never heard of the brand though, that's one thing. I've never ever heard of that brand before. Product number 7 we have is this. So this is by the brand L'Oreal Paris, really. And this is a matte signature eyeliner. I have not seen that in the shop, so I don't know how old this is. I've got no idea, unless it's brand new and I've never seen it in the shop before, but I'm sure I haven't seen that in the shop. I don't know, but yes, an eyeliner. I love the shape of the packaging. I think that's an interesting look. Oh, it's gold, so that is what it looks like. Oh, okay. I thought it was going to be black and I was like, oh, okay, yeah, but gold, something different. So it says it is matte, but it still has that shine on it because it's like mica. Okay, I'll have to give that a go. I don't wear eyeliner very often, like at all. Once in a blue moon, but that's making me want to try it. Product number 8 we have is this. So this is by the brand NYX. This is Full Throttle Eyeshadow Stick in the shade 01. Okay, so that is what it looks like. Very, very soft. Okay, and you can pop it on and then blend it out. Okay, that, I mean, what is it? Is it for the eyes, did I say? Yeah, a shadow stick. I think that'll look nice on the eyes. Just pop that on just for a nice subtle little look. Yeah, definitely gonna have to try that out. I'm loving that shade. It's very, very cute indeed. Oh, product number 9 we have is this. So this is by the brand Bella Paris Cosmetics, and it is Super Gloss Very Berry. Wow, that is very berry indeed. Very, very berry. Oh my goodness. I've got nothing on my lips at the moment. Let's just pop it on. Why not? Well, there, that is on. It smells a bit weird, if I'm honest, but I like the way it looks. It feels really, really nice on the lips. Really nice. It's just the smell. As I say, it's bizarre. But I'll definitely wear that, yeah. 10th and final product we have in the box is this. Okay, it's 2 products in here. Okay. And it's from 2 different brands as well. Okay, so we've got 11 products in this 10 product box. Loving that, absolutely loving it. So this is by the brand mayy. And this is a coral blusher and sun-kissed highlighter. I have received this before in another beauty box and it's really pretty. Really, really pretty. Wow, okay, so yeah, we've got that. And then the other thing we have is this. Again, it's by the brand Bella Marie. And it is eyeshadow. It's only natural eyeshadow palette. Them colours are gorgeous. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, them shades are absolutely stunning. Stunning. Let's go. I'm gonna go for all the sparkly foily ones. Oh wow. Oh, my favourite one is that light one, but they are gorgeous. Okay, I'm really liking that. So chuffed we got 2 products in one there. Guys, so this is the August Pretty Obsessed beauty box. What do you think? Personally, I actually really like this box. I really do. So let's start from the beginning and then work our way through. So bubble tea and anatomicals, yes, very affordable brands, but received them in other beauty boxes. Yes, they are affordable, but they do bloody good products, so that is quite cool. Although we have received this quite often, which is a shame. The hair turban towel-y thing, it feels very thin, very thin. Yeah, lip mask, never heard of the brand, but yeah, that sounds cool. The Cougar day moisturizer, as I've been told on previous videos, that is kind of cheap, but I don't mind as long as I like the feel of it on my skin and I don't come out with any kind of reaction and the date's good on it. It's okay with me. The mascara, love the brush, love how dry the formula is. The eyeliner, not a very big eyeliner person, but it's nice to see that it's not black. That's all I can say. And it's really pretty. And go for quite a simple eye with just that on. I think it'll look really stunning. The shadow stick is a beautiful colour. The lip gloss, I like it. You can actually see bits of glitter in it now that I'm up close and I can see. So I wouldn't wear that just if it's to hand, just to pop it on. It would depend what I'm doing, where I'm going type of thing. And yes, to get 11 products when you're supposed to get 10, that's made me really happy. So by decent brands as well, the last 2. So we've got the Bella Marie Cosmetics and then the mayy. Yeah, really happy. Yeah guys, I'm actually really happy with this box and I can't wait till next month, so bring it on. What do you think of your box? Do you like it? Did you get the same as what I got in mine? If you are interested in getting this box, if you've never had it before, I've got a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box for you. Give that a click and you will get free shipping. That is always good. Every penny you can save, the better. But yeah, I actually whack my thumbs up for this one. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.